Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. NYMEX crude oil price continued to rise, surpassing the sideways range resistance of $82.42 level and resumed the bullish track on its way upside for a target of $85.20 and $87.80 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at $80.50 level and break below will stop the bullish trend. MCX crude oil price had given an upward trendline breakout along with break in its nearby resistance indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, key resistance hold at 6,930 level and break above will surge the price till 7,120 and 7,470 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 6,700 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.